In a world filled with chaos, division, and hostility, the words of Galatians 5 verse 14 offer a beacon of hope. This scripture reminds us of the transformative power of love and the true meaning of freedom. In this article, we will delve into the profound message behind Galatians 5 verse 14 and explore how embracing love and freedom can bring about positive change in our lives and the world around us. Galatians 5 verse 14, embracing the transformative power of love. Love is an extraordinary force that has the power to heal, unite, and bring about profound transformation. The Apostle Paul, in his letter to the Galatians, reminds us that the entire law can be summed up in a single command, to love our neighbors as ourselves. This simple yet profound directive challenges us to embrace love not only for those who are close to us, but for all humanity. When we choose to love unconditionally, without judgment or discrimination, we tap into a source of power that can break down barriers and bring about unity. Love has the power to dissolve the walls that divide us, whether they be racial, cultural, or religious. It can bridge the gap between generations, ideologies, and socioeconomic backgrounds. By embracing the transformative power of love, we can foster understanding, empathy, and compassion, creating a world filled with harmony and acceptance. Discovering true freedom, unveiling the message of Galatians 5 verse 14. In our pursuit of freedom, we often search for it in external circumstances, possessions, or achievements. However, Galatians 5 verse 14 teaches us that true freedom lies in our ability to love one another. When we love, we are liberated from the chains of hatred, bitterness, and selfishness that hold us captive. This scripture challenges us to break free from the shackles of our own ego and desires, and instead focus on the needs and well-being of others. It prompts us to let go of resentments, grudges, and the need for control, allowing us to experience a newfound freedom that comes from living a life of love. When we truly understand and embrace the message of Galatians 5 verse 14, we realize that love and freedom are inextricably linked. Love gives us the freedom to forgive, to show kindness, and to extend grace to others. It liberates us from the burdens of anger, hatred, and fear, enabling us to live a life of authenticity and purpose. Galatians 5 verse 14 offers us a profound lesson on the power of love and freedom. It calls us to embrace love as a transformative force, capable of breaking down barriers and fostering unity. It reminds us that true freedom is found not in external circumstances, but in our ability to love unconditionally. As we unlock the power of love and freedom in our lives, we can bring about positive change not only within ourselves, but also in the world around us. Let us live by the words of Galatians 5 verse 14 and create a world filled with love, understanding, and true freedom. Like and subscribe for more content or visit our channel. Thank you.